Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General Clearance Event Part 3. Yes, we have even more categories to go over with even more coupon matchups. Now, before we get started, I have a couple of quick favors to ask of you all. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below this video because we are so close to hitting 25,000 crazy couponers. And believe it or not, every clearance event that I have made these videos for in the past, we have hit a big milestone number on this channel. So if we could hit 25,000 subscribers over the weekend, that would be absolutely amazing. Now, also, I'm bringing you guys all this information for free. I'm not charging memberships. I'm not charging anybody one single penny. So you guys have all the information, all of the visuals, all the coupon matchups, all in one place. So if you could, I put in a lot of hard work on these videos, and if you could just take a second and hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below this video, even if it's just a hi, hello, an emoji, whatever. Leave me a comment, and please take a second to share the video, even if it's just to yourself. All of those things really do help me out, and it helps push the video out, and YouTube will share it with more people. Alright, now let's go ahead and talk about this clearance event. So of course it's going to start on Friday, which is tomorrow, June the 10th, and run through Sunday, June the 12th. On your screen are all of the items that are going to be included in this weekend's clearance event. Now, on that very first line, y'all can see we have POG clearance, which in my opinion is the most important part of a clearance event because we can get some really good deals on items that we normally don't get coupons and sales and deals on. And I have included all of the new POG clearance items in all of these videos. So if you missed out on part 1 or part 2, definitely go and watch those videos as well. I'm going to have both of those linked in the pinned comment down below. But throughout all of these videos, I'm kind of doing it by category. We're going over POG clearance items, we're going over coupon matchups, and any rebates that we have as well. So all of these videos are cram-packed full of awesome deals. So if you missed them, go back and watch those as well. Now also, if you guys have any questions about clearance events, I put together a video going over all the basic information about clearance events, and in that video I answer a lot of frequently asked questions. So I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below as well. So if you haven't watched that one already, go and check it out. There's a lot of really good information in there. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into our first category, which is bath and body clearance. So first up we have Craz-E body wash. That's going to be $1.97. We have a rebate on checkout 51 for $1.25 back. That's going to make your final price just 72 cents. Alright guys, so I'm going to chit chat with y'all while these scroll across your screen here. Now for part 3, I kind of scaled it back just a little bit. I didn't include all of the items because a lot of the bath and body products were included in the last clearance event. So I just focused in on the name brand items and of course the new coupon matchups and the new rebates. Now here on your screen you see the Irish Spring body wash. I think we do have a digital coupon for Irish Spring right now, but it is unfortunately not attaching to these specific body washes. However, here is a deal that I wanted to talk to you guys about because on Sunday, of course, we're going to get new digital coupons, so we will have new coupon matchups, and I will either make a short video on the new coupon matchups or I will be posting those in the community tab. But we are also going to have an instant savings deal, so instantly save $3 at the register when you spend $10 on the products that you see there, which include Irish Spring, Colgate, and Soft Soap. All of those brands are included in this clearance event. We do have products for each of those brands. So I want you guys to keep that in mind, and if you guys are out shopping Friday and Saturday and you come across a store that has a lot of the Irish Spring and Soft Soap and Colgate that are included in this clearance event, you may want to wait until Sunday. Go back on Sunday. We're going to have new digital coupons and take advantage of that instant savings deal as well. So that's just a quick little tip, just something to keep in mind while you guys are out shopping this weekend. You just never know. You may come across the store and they have a whole bin full of Irish Spring body wash. So you may want to wait until Sunday to do that deal. Now we're coming up on some Old Spice body wash. We have 2 that are included in the clearance event. Now we do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for Old Spice body wash and 1 Old Spice dry spray. However, I think this coupon will work on 2 body washes or 2 dry sprays. So if you guys find the Old Spice body wash, just scan it while you're in the store, see if you can add it to your list and add 2 of them, and see if that 3 off 2 digital coupon will work on 2 of the body washes. Now, I have tried to do this from home, just putting in the UPC code, but unfortunately, once I add it to the list, it's just zeroing out. So hopefully that will work in the store, just scanning the product while you're in the store. Sometimes that works versus putting in UPC codes. Now, also, I wanted to mention we do have that 3 off 2 P&G insert coupon. If you can find a body wash and a dry spray, you could definitely use that digital or the P&G insert coupon. Alright, next up we have the St. Ives body wash. Now this is glitching. We do have a 1 off 3 digital coupon for the Suave products. That is glitching and working with the St. Ives body wash. We also have several other Suave body washes included in this clearance event. So if you guys can find 3 of those, just depending on the price point, y'all can mix and match and use that 1 off 3 digital coupon for the Suave or that specific St. Ives that I showed y'all just a few seconds ago. Alright guys, so we are almost through with the body wash. Here is our last deal. We have Dial body wash, we have Clean and Gentle, and we also have the Dial Gold body wash. These are going to be $1.80. Now, up until Saturday, we have an instant savings deal for save $2 when you purchase 2 Dial body washes. Now, the app is kind of being a little bit finicky with me. Sometimes it shows these 2 specific body washes as working with the instant savings. Sometimes it does not. I've tried it like 10 times. So it's just kind of up in the air whether this instant savings will work with these 2 specific body washes. So again guys, just scan while you are in the store and see if that instant savings pops up. Now we also have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, or we also have a 2 off 2 insert coupon, so you can use one of those. If the instant savings works, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 40 cents in overage. Now if the instant savings does not work, that's going to be $1.60 for 2 after you use those coupons. Alright guys, so moving on into our second category for part 3, we have skincare clearance, and we do have some pretty good coupon matchups. Here's one right here. We have the Clean and Clear face wash. These are going to be at $2.37. We have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to make it free, plus give you 13 cents in overage. Alright guys, so popping in here for just a quick second, we have a deal coming up on the Cocoa Butter Night Cream. You're going to see it right here. Now these are on sale, buy one get one 50% off. So if you buy 2, you're going to pay $5.25. Now also I wanted to mention on these Suave products, again we have that DG store coupon for save $1 when you spend $3 on Suave products. Now you can mix and match, again that's working with the body wash and these lotions. So if you guys can find 3 products, use that digital coupon to maximize your savings. Alright guys, so moving on into our third category, we have beauty clearance. Now there are an absolute ton of makeup included in the clearance sections. Every store that I've been to has a huge tote full of makeup, but I didn't want to make 100 different slides for 100 different makeup products that didn't have coupon matchups. So I basically just focused in on any coupon matchups that I found, and basically this was the only one out there. So we have the Maybelline nail polishes. Select ones are going to be 92 cents each. And we do have that 1 off 2 DG store coupon, so if you pick up 2, that's going to leave you paying 85 cents for 2, making those 42 cents each. And if I find any other makeup coupon matchups, I will be posting those in the community tab. Alright, so moving on into category number 4, we have deodorant clearance. Now, I do want to say a lot of these were included in the last clearance event. However, at my stores, I'm not sure if it's just me or what, but at my stores, some of these deodorants are still in their regular spot. So if you guys don't see these in your clearance section, definitely go back over there to that deodorant wall and check to see if these deodorants are there, because we definitely have some really good deals with digital coupon matchups as well as insert coupons. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you all another sneak peek deal for Sunday. So on Sunday, we're going to be receiving this new digital coupon for $1 off when you spend $3 on Dove Men Plus Care, Suave Men's, Degree Men's, or Axe products. Now, you guys already saw in the previous category, we have Suave Men's Body Wash, we also have Degree Men's Deodorant, and we have Dove Men Plus Care Deodorant. So if you can find a couple of those products, spend $3 and use that new digital coupon on Sunday, that might come out to be a really awesome deal. So you guys just keep that in mind while you're shopping, that on Sunday, we're going to have a ton of new coupon matchups, hopefully. Alright guys, so we're coming up on some really good deals here. We have the Right Guard Sport deodorants. These are going to be $1. If you can find those, we have a 1 off 1 insert coupon, so that is going to make it completely free. Now we also have some Right Guard Sport deodorants that are going to be 67 cents. So if you could find those, use that 1 off 1 insert coupon from the 6.5 save insert. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 33 cents in overage. So how awesome is that? Alright guys, so here in just a second, we're going to come up on some secret deodorants. Some of them are at different price points. The majority of them are priced at $2.25 each. But we do have a 1 off 2 digital coupon as well as a 1 off 2 insert coupon in the P&G insert. So if you find any of those, you can mix and match. Pick up 2, use that 1 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pay $3.50 for 2. But again, just scan to make sure that that digital coupon attaches while you're in the store. Alright guys, so for our 5th category, we have some feminine care clearance. Now, unfortunately, in this category, we don't have any coupon matchups as of right now. Maybe something will pop up on Sunday. Hopefully, we'll get some rebates to stack along with it. But I wanted to go ahead and tell you all about the name brand items anyways. That way, y'all can be on the lookout for it. And hey, at 50% off, that's still a great deal without any coupons. So we've got some Always. We have some Carefree liners. We also have some U by Kotex products. And if you guys find the U by Kotex products and you pick those up, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now we do have a couple of bonuses for the U by Kotex products. Alright, now we're moving on into our 6th and final category for this video. We have some soap clearance. So we have some bar soaps and some hand soaps, some really good deals. I mean, some of this stuff, like I said, we normally don't get coupons on, and at 50% off, you can't beat it. So there we've got Lever soap, we have Old Spice, we have Safeguard soap. So some really, really good deals. We also have soft soap coming up. Don't forget about the instant savings deal on Sunday. And of course, we have the Dove and Suave hand soaps. If you guys can find those, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because we do have bonuses right now for both of those products. Alright guys, so that is it for part 3 of our clearance event videos. Y'all stick around, because I'm going to throw together part 4 really quickly. It's going to be a short video. We still have 4 more categories, but they're pretty small categories. We have shave products, we have oral care, we have baby clearance, and we have some automotive stuff. So y'all stick around for part 4. I'm also going to throw in some last minute tips and tricks into that video. So make sure that you're subscribed. Turn on your notifications so that you will be notified as soon as that video goes live. And please do me a huge favor and do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Again, even if it's just to yourself, all those things really do help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for your continued support. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.